Hey, you want to see a big energy waster? This little spark plug. If yours are worn like this, you could need new ones. And if the average American driver wastes only 8 gallons of gasoline a year because his car needs new plugs and a tune-up, that's over 800 million gallons wasted. Enough to fill 10,000 of these tanks. Enough to supply a big city like Atlanta for a year. So see your Texaco retailer. It's a good idea for you and your country.
Hi, I'm an independent Texaco retailer. Not really, but when I grow up, maybe I'll go into business for myself and run a Texaco station like my daddy does. Make all the decisions, hire my own help, set my own prices. The Texaco will help me a lot, but I'll be the boss. Yes? Mama says to come home for dinner right now.
Texaco's independent retailers, working to keep your trust.